Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use a trending effect called Falconer on TikTok. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to like this video. So Falconer is the hunting of wild animals in their natural state and habitat by means of trained bird of prey like a hawk or a falcon. So in this effect, you can have your very own falcon which sits on your hand. So let me show you how to use this effect and how to find it. So first you want to open up your TikTok app. Next you want to tap on search at the top right. Here you want to search Falconer, which is Falconer. Once you get the search results, you should see Falconer in your effects. The icon should look like this with a bird symbol. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you'll see all these videos. Go ahead and check out how others have used this effect. As you can see, you'll see a falcon shadow going around the screen. And once you show your hands, the falcon will then land on your hand with your face on it. I don't see any trending music with this effect, as people are using all sorts of music on it. So it's entirely up to you on what music you use. So once you're ready, go ahead and tap on use this effect here. Now choose your sound here on the top first and try to be as far as you can from the camera. Go ahead and press record. And now you'll see all the shadow here on screen. Now if you put your hands up, you should see the falcon appear and land on your hands. If you move your hands, you'll see the falcon move as well. Once you're happy with the clip, go ahead and post it on TikTok. And that is how to use a trending effect called Falconer on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.